Welcome to the Oromo Codes branding video, focusing on establishing a leading tech education identity for the Oromo community. We begin with Phase 1, Visual Identity. Our goal is to create a professional and recognizable brand for 2026. Our core channel values are tech innovation, accessible learning, and community first. We aim to deliver high-quality, AI-driven content in Afaan Oromo and build a supportive developer ecosystem. We are establishing a professional identity to build trust through expertise. This involves professional attire that matches our brand and maintaining consistent personal branding. The tech aesthetic uses glowing circuit patterns and binary overlays to signify cutting-edge technology. This visual language resonates with the developer community and sets us apart. We explored 3 logo concept variations: minimalist brackets, tech mockup, and circular branding. These are being evaluated for the final brand identity. Phase 2 focuses on our content strategy, providing a roadmap for programming and AI tutorials. We have a strong foundation with 234 active subscribers and 170 videos published. Our content strategy will optimize existing assets and scale quality using AI tools and the new branding. Our tutorial roadmap includes modules on HTML, CSS, AI for developers, and JavaScript, with varying statuses from in progress to planned. Regarding growth projection, by implementing professional branding and consistent AI-focused content, we expect a 20x growth in reach, targeting 5,000 subscribers in 2026 and 20,000 in 2027. Our mission statement is clear. Empowering the Oromo community through code is not just a goal, it's a digital revolution. Thank you for watching this video. Let's build the future of Oromo technology together. You can reach us at contact@oromocodes.com. Here are the image sources used throughout this video.